Part of maintaining a yard is treating it for disease. And one of Florida's most common and destructive, root rot.
Take-all root rot can be very devastating for our Florida lawns.
We caught up with Phillip Harmon from the University of Florida to learn how to identify and treat root rot.
Take-all root rot disease of St. Augustine grass is one of the most important and devastating diseases that occur in Florida lawns. The disease effectively takes the roots out, does not allow them to bring up water and nutrients from the lawn, and the lawn suffers from drought stress, nutrient stress, and eventually it can kill the Florida lawn that we're trying to manage. Overwatered lawns are more likely to have take-all root rot and more likely for that take-all root rot to become severe and to kill the turfgrass that it's affecting. The first symptoms that we see that indicate that our roots are in trouble are the turfgrass starting to wilt. Another is the symptom of a lack of nutrients. And so grass, when it's nice and healthy, is dark green, thick and lush. If we have a root rot, the grass is not able to get the nutrients that it needs to produce the leaf material, so it can become yellow, thin, and otherwise unhealthy looking. If it's determined that you do have root rot, we have several options that we can follow up with to try to prevent the disease from becoming worse. Those include adjusting your irrigation schedule and the amount of irrigation that's applied, adjusting the height of cut of the turfgrass to reduce stress, and then also chemical fungicides can be applied if the disease is early in its stages. So the only way to know for sure why your lawn has failed is to determine if a disease was involved. The way to do that is to collect a sample and contact your county extension office or send directly to the Plant Diagnostic Center at the University of Florida. We process over 3,000 samples a year of turfgrass, and the majority of those do come back with some level of take-all root rot. I think the most important thing for preventing take-all root rot from ruining your lawn is to carefully manage your irrigation and the amount and timing of irrigation that you apply. That's the number one reason we see lawns fail.